Hello everyone, I am Shreya Gurav, student of MSc Statistics first year from Pavans College. The topic of the project is prediction using decision tree algorithm, where I am going to build a decision tree model by using a data set of arrays from which the link is given here. Before going for the model building, we will be importing a pandas library which will be useful for importing our arrays dataset. So this is the code for importing a dataset. Further, once the dataset is imported, we will go for performing EDA, where we will check a statistical summary and check if there are any missing values, and also we will see the features by using different types of plots. First, we will go for statistical analysis. Here, by using describe code, we will check the statistical outcome, that is a count, mean, standard deviation, mean, maximum value, and different type of percentile. Next, we will go for missing value. Here we can see by using the code of missing values, I have checked if there are any missing values, and thus I got the answer that there are no missing values. Therefore, we don't need to handle the data. If there are a missing value present, then we need to uh, work on the missing values and remove those missing values. Further, we will check the features by using different types of distribution. Here, by using matplotlib and seaborn, I have created histogram, box plot, and pair plots. Here we can see the maximum values in shows where by using the histogram we can check how the data points are spreaded in different types of features. By using box plot we can check the spread of data set. Here we can see different types of petals and their lengths. Yeah, so this shows us that there are some outliers in sepal width, which is here, but as the as the data as the there are very less outliers, we don't need to remove those. Further, by using a pair plot, we can observe that the Aries setosa are easily classified, and the other two values, that is Aries versicolor and Aries virginica, are overlapping. Thus, all those things, and I have also checked a correlation by using a heat map. So by using this, we can also see that there is a good correlation between sep between sepal length and both sepal length and petal length, and then sepal length and petal width. But we can see the sepal width has a negative correlation here. Thus, we can say that the sepal width is very less contributing in the analysis for the for the classification. But the petal lengths width and ear are having a good correlation with all of them. Thus we can use petal length for the for classification. Even the petal length is very good for the correlation. We can observe this by from the given data, but the sepal width have a negative value, so it may be contribute, but we can use it later. But the classification mostly could be done using petal length, petal width, or sepal length. Further, thus this all shows that how we can go for decision tree. Now we will be building a model for decision tree. Before going for that, we will need to prepare a model. That is, we will be splitting our data set in two parts. That is, train and test data. The train data will be of 80% and the test data will be of 20%. Once the data is splitted by using the given code, which I have used now. Further, we can go for building a decision tree by using the trend data set which we have built already. Now, once it a decision tree model is built, we will be going for visualization. The code which I have used is from sklearn plot tree and matplotlib as a PLT. Here I have used this code for building a decision tree model where we can observe how petal length is used as a start point as an array class array setosa, as we know that the petal length was contributing more and also the array setosa was easily classified. Further, by using this, the remaining classification is done and we can observe this from the given visualization. Once our decision tree is built and visualized, we can also check which feature is contributing most and or which is the most important feature. By this graph we can observe that the petal length graph is contributing the most, that is it is the most important feature for the decision tree. Now, once everything is made, we can evaluate our decision tree by using the test data which we have made of 20% from the overall data set. Now, by using the test data, we will test if the model is built properly or not. By using the given code here, we can check the accuracy and by using this we can check the accuracy across validation by confusion matrix. So here we can see the accuracy is of 93%. Also the confusion matrix show how good the classifier is made, as there is the high numbers here, and also the cross validation gives 95% of validation accuracy. Thus we can see our model is bit good and we are all ready to use our new data set. I have also checked by using a sample example, that is the data set input which I have used is of Aries Virginica. Thus, when the data was given to the build decision tree classifier, it has classified properly, and further it shows how Aries it belongs to Aries Virginica. This we can say our classifier is made properly, and here we have built a good classifier. Thank you.